Hello and welcome to Dentistry 101. Today I'll be discussing a very important topic, not only for the dentists, but even for the patients. Toothbrushing 101. Toothbrushing is the only way to remove all the bacterial plaque and the food remnants from the teeth. Not brushing your teeth will have very bad consequences, starting from dental decay to gum recession and bleeding. If you have caries or decay, you need to go to the dentist to do fillings or root canals. These procedures are painful and expensive. In addition, the gum could recede and the bone could be lost around the teeth. The bone lost is hardly regained back. Many people think that the bad breath is caused from the stomach. In fact, the bad breath originates from not brushing the teeth. Regularly brushing the teeth guarantees you to have a fresh breath. People think that having bleeding gums is caused by toothbrushing. In fact, having bleeding gums is caused by not brushing and then starting to brush. People do not pay proper attention for the technique of brushing the teeth. They consider that placing a toothbrush with a toothpaste inside their mouth and moving it randomly on the teeth is proper toothbrushing. Washing your teeth needs to be done in front of a mirror. You need to be able to see the teeth properly while brushing, to know where to move exactly. Before starting, I'd like to emphasize about the importance of having a soft toothbrush. Having medium or hard toothbrush bristles could damage your gums or teeth on the long run, so please always go for the soft toothbrush. The soft toothbrush protects the teeth and the gums and also has the same brushing efficiency as the hard and the medium toothbrushes. It is recommended to use only white toothpastes. Darker toothpastes having colors on the long run could make your teeth have dark color. When placing the toothpaste on the toothbrush, place a very small amount. Do not overfill the toothbrush. Start brushing the hard areas, especially the upper posterior part of the teeth. Because if you start by the front and easy parts, when you get to the hard parts, you will not do them properly. So please always start brushing from the hard parts. Some people have gagging while brushing the upper posterior part of the teeth. To overcome this feeling, always take a heavy breath from your nose, not from your mouth. This will overcome the feeling of gagging, and brush gently. Brushing your teeth must be done in circular motions, making 45 degrees with the gum as you move up and down, to remove all the bacterial plaque from the surfaces of the teeth and the plaque inside of the gums, which is very dangerous. Brush from the outer surface of the teeth, from the inner surface of the teeth, and from the top surface of the teeth. Brushing from the top surface of the teeth could be done back and forth, but remember, brushing the outer and inner surface of the teeth must be done in circular motions. Always look into the mirror while brushing to be able to visualize properly all of the teeth surfaces. Do not press hard on the toothbrush while brushing. Brushing properly is different from brushing hard. If you brush hard, you will cause damage to the gums and to the teeth. So always brush gently but properly. Experts recommend brushing at least 2 times every day, after breakfast and especially after dinner. It is recommended to not eat or drink anything after brushing. After you finish brushing your teeth for 2 to 3 minutes, spit out all of the remaining toothpaste and do not wash your mouth with water. Washing your mouth with water will remove the toothpaste and the good components in the toothpaste like fluoride will not be able to work. Nighttime is the most dangerous timing which the tooth decay could happen, so not rinsing your mouth with water after using the toothpaste is something good. Remember to brush your tongue back and forth to keep it fresh and clean and remove bacteria on the tongue which could cause a smelly breath. If you want to have a fresh breath and use a mouthwash after the toothpaste, use it after at least 30 minutes to have the effect of the toothpaste on the teeth, which could make it stronger if it contains fluoride particles. Mouthwashes will be discussed in a later video. Avoid any acidic foods or drinks like vinegar or lemon juice from touching your teeth. Do not brush the teeth directly after it, since the acid makes the surface layer of the teeth weak and brushing could remove this layer. So please wait at least 30 minutes after eating or drinking any acidic foods. It is very important to regularly change the toothbrush every few weeks to 3 months, especially if the toothbrush started to have spaces between the brushing bristles. Do not store the toothbrush in a closed place or place a cap or cover on it, since the moist environment will make the bacteria grow much more. Always leave the toothbrush in a dry place. Keep the toothbrush away from the toilet seats because flushing the toilets produces airborne particles which could go onto the toothbrush. It will have harmful effects. To summarize up this video, regularly brushing the teeth guarantees you to have a fresh breath. Washing your teeth needs to be done in front of a mirror. Always go for the soft toothbrush. Use only white toothpastes. Use only small amounts of the toothpaste. Brushing your teeth must be done in circular motions, making 45 degrees with the gum as you move up and down. Brushing properly is different from brushing hard, so always brush gently but properly, at least 2 times every day. After you finish brushing your teeth for 2 to 3 minutes, spit out all of the remaining toothpaste and do not wash your mouth. Remember to brush your tongue back and forth. If you want to have a fresh breath and use a mouthwash, use it after at least 30 minutes. If you have any acidic drink or food, do not brush the teeth directly after it. Wait at least 30 minutes. It is very important to regularly change the toothbrush. Do not store the toothbrush in a closed place. And this brings an end to our video Toothbrushing 101. If you like the video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.